Good morning, class. How are you? Today we are doing lesson 55 in math, multiples and factors. I'm going to break up this lesson into two videos. One, we're going to do multiples, and the other one, we're going to do factors. I think it will be helpful for you to practice both multiples and factors individually, okay? All right, so first let's start off with multiples. What is a multiple? Well, if you think about multiplication, a multiple is a number that when you multiply it by, 1, 2, 3, that's what you get. So for example, to find, if we, let's use the number 4, like for example in our book, okay? If we use 4, let's say 4 times 1 is 4, right? 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. So all of these, boys and girls, those are all the multiples. The multiples are the numbers that when you multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's what you get. So let's do another example. If I said, what are the multiples of 2? Okay. So think about multiples. If you multiply 2 by 1, it would be 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. Should we keep going? You could. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 11, 22. 2 times 12, 24. So these are all the multiples of 2. Someone said, hey, boys and girls, what are the multiples of 2? You would say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 8. Okay? So those are what multiples are. So, again, think of multiples as multiplication. So, if if I said list the first 4 multiples of 7. Okay, same thing. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. What are the first 4 multiples of 7? 7, 14, 21, 28. All right, let's look at our example number 2. What is the fourth multiple of 6? What is the third multiple of 8? 2 ways you can do this. You can multiply. You can think about your different multiples. So if it said, what's the fourth multiple of 6? You can do 6, 12, 18, 24. Or you can also do something like this. If it said, what's the sixth multiple of 4? Then you multiply 6 by 4, which would be 24. Letter B says, what is the third multiple of 8? So you can do 8, 16, 24. Or you can just multiply. 8 times 3 would be 24. So 24 is the third multiple of 8. Going on to the next example. Example 3. Okay? Example 3 says 12 is a multiple of which whole numbers? So in this case, you need to figure out what numbers give you a total of 12 for a multiple. So you would see that 1 times 12. What about 2? Yes, 2 times 6. 3 times 4. And you can also use a multiplication table. Unfortunately, we're not in our classroom, so you can't use our multiplication chart on your desk, but you can find one. You can create one. I mean, that's something you could do. You have plenty of time, right? Create a multiplication chart. 3 times 4. Let's see. 4. Would 4 be? Yes. We can do like this, right? 4 by 3. 5, no, 6, yes. 6 by 2, 6, 7, doesn't go into 12. 8 times nothing, no. 9 times something is 12, nope. 10, nope. 11, 12, yeah, 12 times 1, right? So 12 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So your answer would be 12 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. All right, example number 4. What is the last digit of any multiple of 10? Ooh. And what is the last digit of any multiple of 5? Well, if we did the multiples of 10, let's do the multiples. Ready? What are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We can stop there. What's the last digit of the multiples of 10? 0. 0. All right. Just a little fun smiley face for you to smile today. And letter B. What 2 digits appear as the last digit of the multiples of 5? So let's do multiples of 5. So the first one will be 5. The next one, yep, 10. Next, 15. Keep going. 20. Next, 25. 30. Great. 35. 40. All right. So what 2 digits appear as the last digit in a multiple? So it would be 0 and 5. 0, 5. 0 and 5 are your answers. All right. Well, we're going to skip factors for right now. And I want you to pause when I tell you, and I want you to do lesson practice A, B, C, D, and E. I want you to do A, B, C, D, and E, either on a practice worksheet or on a whiteboard or something that you have. And then we'll do the answers right now. So go ahead and pause. Okay, welcome back. Let's review our answers, okay? So, letter A, list the first 5 multiples of 6. All right, first 5 multiples would be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 5 multiples of 6. Got it? All right. Remember, boys and girls, if you need any help with this, I'm available. Okay, so just, send me a message on Class Dojo and we can set up a time to go over these answers if you need extra help. All right, letter B. List the 3rd, 4th, and 5th multiples of 9. Well, I can do this 2 ways. I can do this. 9, 18, 28, 27, sorry. I can do that, or I can just multiply it, right? So if it says that 3rd multiple of 9, well, 9 times 3, 27. The 4th multiple of 9, 9 times 4 is 36. And the 5th multiple of 9, 54. Those are the 3rd, 4th, and 5th multiples of 9. Letter C. What is the 7th multiple of 8? 8, 16, 24. Or 8 times 7, which is 56. This is also a really good time, boys and girls, that you can practice your multiplication, because remember what I told you guys, it's coming up. We're here, we're doing multiplication. You need to know quick like this. So right now is a good time to download some multiplication apps, practice your flashcards, make flashcards, get creative, okay? All right. Letter D. What 5 digits appear as the last digit of multiples of 2? What 5 digits appear as the last digits of the multiples of 2? So in this case, we need to write out the multiples of 2 and see what the last digits are. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and it keeps going, right? 22, 24. All right, so the last digits of the multiples are, let's see, here's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and it goes back to 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4. So these are the 5 digits, the 5 last digits of 2. Got it? Awesome. Next, letter E. 10 is a multiple of which whole numbers? So we need to figure out what numbers, when you multiply it, equal to 10. So let's start with 1. Well, we know that 1 times 10, right, is equals 10. 2, can 2 be a multiple? Because 2 times 5. 3, no. 4, nope. 5, well, we have 5 here. So that's it. So if it asks you what 10 is a multiple of which whole numbers? 1, 2, 5, and 10. 10 is a multiple of these whole numbers. 1, 2, 5, and 10. We will stop there and we will continue with factors in the next video. Okay? So practice your multiples. Thanks.